Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's me again, your Papa Dom. And for today's video, atin tayo ngayon ng concert ng Planetshakers Abundance 2025. This is my fourth time, parang third time pa lang. Pero ang naalala ko, last na natinan kong Planetshakers way back 2020. After ata ng bago mag-pandemic, parang ganon. Pero ayun, isasama ko kayo sa magiging ganap ko for today. And kung sino yung mga kasama ko sa concert. Ayun lang. Hi guys! So, I'm on my way na sa meeting place na. Meet up place. Meet plus. Alakad lang ako kasi alam mo yun, it's raining. Hindi alam yun.
Konnichiwa.
Hi guys! So, nandito na ako ngayon sa Planetshakers Abundance 2025 concert. Gusto ko lang i-share na parang ito yung uli na patid ako ng concert ng Planetshakers kasi ang last na naatinan ko is Rain 2020 before tumama yung pandemic. Pero I remember ang mga Planetshakers buddies ko is si Ate Ciel tsaka si Ate Ann. Ngayon, iba na yung kasama ko. Hindi naman sad, pero andito si Ate Ann pero iba na rin yung kasama niya. So, shout out sa inyong dalawa. We may not have the same path na tinatahak today, pero I believe na, and I hope that you're doing good. Hanapin ko si Ate Ann mamaya. Pero si Ate Ciel, shout out sa'yo. Si Ate Ciel!
Kaya nga, akala ko uwi yun.
Hindi ko alam, hello Ate Ciel. Shout out.
Oh, we thank you for the victory tonight, Lord. Yeah. No more chains on me. I'm gonna live in your victory. Once was blind, now I see. I'm gonna.
Jesus said, I am the way, I am the truth, I am the life. No one comes to the Father but through me. So the way to know God is to come to Jesus. And the best news about that, friend, is that every single one of us are invited to come to Jesus.
Yeah.